Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to copy and move. So as example, you can draw rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. The next, you can make group this object. Now if you want to copy and move, we can use the move tools. Click the move icon. Like I will click at this point. Now to copy, you can press Control button and it will create the one copy. I will copy again. Like you can copy into two. You can click at this point, press Control button, and then I will click here. Now you can type X2 to copy into two objects. I will select at these two objects. Use move tools. Click from this point. Press Control button to copy. Click again to place. And if you want to duplicate into 5, you can press X and then press 5. Press enter to duplicate to 5. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp 2026. How to copy and move.